Singsang Taytay Liho. I am Ronilyn Restauro, born on March 14, 1997, 29 years old, from Davao de Oro, Philippines. I am single parent and am blessed with 10 years old daughter. I am high school graduate and I like cleaning, cooking, and taking good care of kids. I work as a housemaid in Philippines for 3 years and 3 months from March 2018 to June 2021. I serve a couple and 3 children ages 10, 6 years old, and 8 months old baby. I work as a domestic helper in UAA for 2 years and 4 months from August 2022 to December 2024.
Hello, Miss Ronilyn Restauro. How are you today?
I am good and thank you, sir.
All right. May we know your main duties from your previous employer?
My main duties is taking care of the whole family, providing the services and the need.
Okay, so what if the parents of your employer always finding mistakes to your work? What will you do?
I will focus to my work and do my best to improve it.
Okay, what is the most important thing in taking care of children?
To prepare their food on time, check their clothes and wet, and always keep them safe.
Okay, so how will you assist the child when crossing the street?
Hold their hand and look to the right and left before crossing.
Okay, what is the most important thing in carrying a baby?
Regularly check the diaper if it is wet, feed the baby on time, and give the medicine on time.
How will you arrange your duties if only you and the baby left in the house?
Attend the baby first, bath the baby, feed the baby. Once the baby is sleeping, that is the time that I can do household chores.
Okay, so what if you found out that the baby has fever and your employer is not at home? What will you do?
First, I need to call and inform my employer and parents and call the doctor for help and advice.
Okay, do you have any last message to your future employer?
To my future employer, please choose me as your housemaid because I badly need this job. I will help to grow as a person and it will be a big help for my family. I promise to do my duties and responsibilities and I will finish my contract.
All right, before we end, can you share your best smile? Thank you very much, Miss Ronaldine Restauro, and hope to see you very soon in abroad.
Sir, thank you and I'm looking forward to work with you as soon as possible.